Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to automatically send an email when a planner task is completed using a Power Automate template. This is perfect for keeping your team in the loop without having to manually notify everyone every time a task gets finished. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the automation features and templates available on the platform. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Templates from this menu. This section contains pre-built automation workflows that you can use and customize, saving you time from building everything from scratch. Now, in the template section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Send Email Planner Completed into the search field. This will filter the results and show you templates specifically related to sending emails when planner tasks are marked as complete. From the search results, locate and click on the template that says Send an email when a planner task is completed. This template is designed to automatically trigger an email notification whenever someone completes a task in Microsoft Planner, which is incredibly useful for project management and team coordination. Once the template opens, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click on it to proceed with setting up this automation. This action will take you into the workflow editor where you can configure the trigger and actions. Now you'll see the workflow components laid out. Click on the trigger which is labeled when a task is completed. This trigger is what starts the entire automation process whenever a task status changes to completed in your planner. After clicking the trigger, you'll need to input a group ID and plan ID. These identifiers tell Power Automate which specific Microsoft Planner board and group to monitor for completed tasks. You can find these IDs in your planner settings or by navigating to the specific plan you want to track. Next, click on the action labeled Send an Email. This is where you'll configure what happens after the trigger fires. The email action allows you to automatically notify specific people whenever a task is marked as done. In the To field, input the email address of the person or people who should receive the notification. You can add multiple recipients if needed by separating their email addresses with semicolons. Now you have the option to customize the subject line and body of the email. This is where you can personalize the message to include details like the task name, who completed it, or any other relevant information. Take a moment to adjust these fields according to your team's needs and communication style. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, look at the top of the screen and click Save. This will store your automation workflow and make it active. From this point forward, every time a task is completed in the specified planner board, an email will be sent automatically to the recipients you configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated email notification system for completed planner tasks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.